Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix all Windows update error problems on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing any Windows update error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of simple steps you can try and fix that issue. The first method is you just need to click on this services, then type here services. You just need to click on this search and type services, then click on the services. In this you need to type Windows Update. Select any one of those services, then press W, then scroll down. Here you can find Windows Update. Right click on that, click on properties. Here you can see startup type. You have to make sure that it should be as automatic. You can see service status is stop, it should be running. Then click on start. Now the service is running. Click on apply, click OK. You have to make sure that service should be running. After that, just close this window. Then try the second method. Click on the start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting. Click on this, click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows Update. You have to just click on run and it will detect if there is any problem with your Windows Update error. It will fix it automatically. You have to just wait and complete these steps whatever it shows. After completion of this, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Open your file explorer, open the C drive, open the Windows folder, scroll down. Here you will find software distribution. Double click and open. You have to select all these folders and delete it. Just tick mark this option, then skip it. Then close this window. Now try the fourth method. Click on start menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. You have to wait. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, now you can try to update your Windows. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix all Windows update error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.